I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun JuJuBe review. Today I have the JuJuBe hobobe here in the super cute new JuJuBe Harry Potter collaboration print Herbology. This print features a black background with all the different types of herbs from the books and the movies. So on the front here we have St. John's wort, mistletoe, dittany, devil's snare, wormwood, and lots of other ones. I love this print for wintertime. It is just the perfect colors. As you guys saw in the very beginning part of this video, the hobobe is a purse-sized diaper bag. And every time I pack this bag up, it has been a minute since I last had one of these, but every time I pack them up, I am once again so surprised at how much I love it and how much it holds, and I just love the way it packs. So for me, where I don't have diapers and wipes and things like that I'm carrying around anymore, this particular size and style works great for me. But also this is a great bag if you have one child, especially maybe a toddler or a potty training child, that you don't need to carry so much stuff around anymore for. This is a perfect size bag for that. So let's go over the dimensions real quick of the hobobe. This bag is 13.5 inches wide, 9.5 inches tall, and it is 5.5 inches deep. So you can see this is quite a wide bag, which means you can pack with pouches, and you guys know how I love pouches. It just makes packing so much easier. Another thing with this particular print is that you have the brushed gold hardware. On the front here you have the Harry Potter Wizarding World logo on the left, and on the right you have JuJuBe. And I actually really love the hardware on this bag. This particular print has the cutest little book pools. Look at this, you guys. I love this detail. Isn't that adorable? It's like a little tiny book. It's so cute. It says Hogwarts on there. And I love all the detail that they did on that zipper pull. It's super cute. You have a round zipper pull up here with the Harry Potter glasses and the lightning bolt scar. Even though the hobobe is not a huge bag, you have a ton of pockets, and I probably didn't even use half of that because I like to pack minimalistically, but I also like to pack with pouches. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start on the outside of the bag and show you guys all the different features this bag has to offer, and then we can jump onto the inside for the packing portion. So let's get started. Now on the front of the bag here, you have a hidden pocket down in the front here, and it is a nice long zipper opening. Right above that you have another pocket that is a tech pocket, and it is felt lined, so you can put a camera in there, your phone. You could even put a pair of sunglasses in there if you wanted to, because the felt lining protects whatever you put in there from scratches and things like that. On the sides of the bag you have a bottle pocket on each side. They are elastic, so they stretch to accommodate your sippy cups and your baby bottles, your swell bottles, and things like that. On the very back of the bag, you have a snap closure button pocket back here. And this is a perfect place to put the light change pad that actually comes with this bag. This is the light change pad. And this is a great change pad for really quick trips out. And here's the lining on this print. Is that not cool? Just a great print for a lining. I love that. So this is not a memory foam change pad. It is a very thin change pad, but it's basically for just protecting your child from any dirty surface that you have out and about. So I love this, perfect. And that pocket is just great for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and snap that back up. I don't have anything in that pocket, but it's a great place to keep coupons, receipts, and things like that if you are not using it to hold your change pad. On the top of the bag here, you have a nice zipper opening. It has a nice long tail, so you can open this bag nice and wide and access your things. Up top here you will see you have your large D-rings. This bag does come with this seatbelt strap here with a memory foam pad on the top here. This is a very adjustable strap, so you can get it fairly short, not super short. As you guys saw in the very first part of this video, when I had this bag over my shoulder, that was at its shortest setting. If you want to have it even shorter and be more like a purse, you could probably purchase a shorter strap separately or have a custom one made. But with this one, you can wear it over the shoulder and crossbody. So that is the outside of the bag. Let's go ahead and jump into the packing portion of this video. I really love how I have it packed up today. I have it packed up for both myself and my 5-year-old. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with the bottle pockets. I don't have anything on this side. On this side over here, I have my 9-ounce Swell bottle, and this just has water in it for me. If you guys see anything that you like in this video, I will leave shopping links down in the description below for you. I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. In the top pocket here, this is where I have my phone. I have the iPhone 14 Pro, and this is a smaller sized phone than I used to have. As you guys know, I used to have the Pro Max, which was huge. I love this size a lot more for me, and this fits in here great. But if I did have the Max Pro, this pocket would be plenty big for it, so hopefully that helps if you guys are considering this bag. Here is that felt lining. As you can see, it is black, but it is nice and soft. So if you do have something in there that you're afraid of getting scratched, that is a great pocket for that. Let's move on to the front pocket here. I'm gonna go ahead and tilt this forward a little bit so you guys can see how this is in here. Now you have a zipper pocket across the back here. I don't usually put anything in there, but I do love that they have an extra pocket in case you want to put important papers or receipts and things like that back there, or bibs, who knows. Like, it's a very flat pocket, and this whole front pocket is pretty flat. So whatever you decide to put in there is going to have to be pretty slim. You also have a key leash here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull my keys off of that real quick. That was a massive pair of keys, by the way. And when I do attach it to the key leash, I like to keep my keys in this pocket right here. And these are mesh elastic pockets, so they do have a little bit of stretch to them. Next to that pocket on this side, I have my Be Charged in the brand new driftwood color. I love this color. It is super neutral and pretty, but I also love how it pairs with this particular print. It is so good together. So this is my wallet, and I suggest if you do have the hobobe to use a slimmer type of wallet because this is gonna fit the best in there. I do have a larger wallet that I'm going to show you how well this fits in there as well, but let's go through the last thing. Also in that same pocket, I have some hand sanitizer, and I just picked this up yesterday. It smells so good. Let's put my Lily Jade Amber wallet down in here. Now, when you have nothing in this pocket, that wallet fits in there great, but with my keys, it's just a little too much. But as you can see, that's a full-size wallet, and it fits in there great. That is all that I had in that front pocket. Let's go ahead and move on to the inside of the bag. So here is the top of the hobobe. Let's go ahead and open it up with a super cute zipper pull. This is how I have it packed up on the inside. As you can see, you have lots of room. I have 3 or 4 different packing pouches down in here, and I am also utilizing a few of the pockets. So let's go ahead and go through, let's see. I think we'll go through the back pockets here first. So on this side, I have a pack of gum. That is the only thing I had in this pocket, but it is a nice size pocket. You could put small set pieces down in there. You could probably even fit a medium set piece if you wanted to. On this one here, I have a small set piece in the Herbology print. In here, I just have some health related things. So I have a little thing of Advil for me. I have some eye drops. And I also have my inhaler down in here. And that is all that I had in that elastic mesh pocket there. You will notice that you also have another zipper pocket across the back here. This is a nice size pocket, as you can see, but once again, it's a little bit like the one in the very front pocket where it's gonna have to hold flat things or like bibs, a wet bag, things like that. Maybe a change of clothes if you really, really wanted to squeeze it in there. Also, on the other side here, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this around. You have another mesh pocket on this side, and in here I have my glasses. Cannot go anywhere without those, especially at night. Right next to that, you have another zipper pocket. And in here I just have a couple different coupons for when I go out shopping and things. I don't like to keep those in my wallet, just it's so much easier to just keep them in another pocket like that. All right, so I went through all the side pockets. Let's go ahead and go through the inside. Right here, I have a small piece from the All Set in the driftwood color. Once again, looks fabulous in this bag. I absolutely love these together. In here, I just have some makeup type of things for me. So I have a little container with some hand cream in it. I also have a chapstick, a lip gloss, and a folding hairbrush with a mirror. Now this is what the rest of it looks like. I have a medium set piece here, and then I have the large piece from the All Set. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna flip this back around because this is the front of the bag. There we go. Also right here next to all that stuff, I have my son's water. So let's go ahead and go through the medium set piece next. In here I just have lots of snacks for my son, so if we go out to eat somewhere and he's tagging along, he's super picky, and so normally I end up just bringing him his own stuff to eat. So I have a Z-bar, an applesauce, yogurt raisins, some fruit snacks, and then I also have a juice box. I love medium set pieces for snacks. It just, believe it or not, holds a ton. Like, you wouldn't think that it would, but it does. The last thing to go through is my large All Set piece. I love, love, love the All Set. It is one of my favorite things JuJuBe makes, and I love it in the Beyond Collection driftwood color. So pretty. So in here, I just have some things for my son since it's getting pretty chilly out these days. I have a little spare hat for him, and it's a little bear. It's so cute. I also have a pair of warm gloves for him. And then I have a spare pair of underwear because you never know. But that is all that I had inside of my large All Set, and that is all that I have in my hobobe. But now that I have it empty, you guys can see just how much room you have in there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. If you saw something that you gotta have in this video, I will link everything down below for you. And I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching.